Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. As you know guys, using the correct tools can save you so much time and can make your life so much easier. So, if you're guys about to replace an oxygen sensor, this is the tool that you need. Okay, this thing is super easy to use, super convenient and very inexpensive. You can find that tool listed in the description of the video below guys. So, we'll demonstrate how simple that thing is to use. Okay, most oxygen sensors are really hard to get to because they're on the exhaust manifold or on the intake. So you cannot get a regular socket on it, and this is because we have the wiring harness. But with the socket being cut sideways, okay, check it out how it goes through the wire. Okay, you can go on top of the sensor. Okay, just like that. Now it's very good. Okay, you can see right here how it has a side lever where we're going to install a 3/8 extension. That side lever is going to give you some really good leverage. Okay, and you'll be able to remove it with ease. Okay, check out now. Okay, perfect. Now you can see in just a second guys, you can get the sensor loose with no problem at all. Otherwise it will be impossible to do it, and this is because you can see how many things will need to be removed. That thermal sheet will need to be removed, and you still not be able to get a wrench there. And when you're ready to install it and get it tight, all we have to do is just get it tight. Super simple. Okay, you pull it out later through the wire and the job is done in less than 2 minutes in most cases. Okay, you can see. So that thing guys will definitely save you so much trouble, so much time, and you know, your time is money. So that way you will make sure that you will not break anything and you'll be able to remove and replace sensor with ease. So just a quick video review guys about the tool. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come.